We are now looking forward to Samsung's new iteration of the Z Flip, and its name could either be Z Flip 2 or Z Flip 3. Rumors addressing it Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 seem to be considering the Z Flip 5G for the second iteration of the clamshell foldable phone. Regardless, rumors and leaks have already been giving us glimpses of the upcoming foldable phone, so we might as well explore here everything we know about it. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 release date. If Samsung was to follow last year's tradition, we would have expected the clamshell foldable to be released alongside the Galaxy S21 series. However, this did not happen as Samsung introduced the Galaxy S21 line already with no mention of the clamshell foldable. This may be due to the fact that the South Korean company seems to be planning some changes for 2021 and on. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 will most likely appear in the first half of 2021, possibly in April 2021, or even June-July 2021. Speculations tell us that this may be a move by Samsung made to protect the Galaxy S21 line from a possible undermining by the interesting-looking Z Flip 3. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 price. Last year, the Galaxy Z Flip was released at a price of $1,449.99, and the released in September Galaxy Z Flip 5G followed this expensive tendency, determined by its unique form factor. However, the Z Flip is the cheapest foldable phone by Samsung right now. We expect a similar price, or slightly lower one, to be given to the Galaxy Z Flip 3. There are some rumors, however, that speculate that there will be a more affordable version of the clamshell foldable that will just be stripped of some flagship-grade features in order to keep the cost down. We haven't had any additional leaks on it yet though. Galaxy Z Flip 3 specifications. Leaks state that the Z Flip 3 will feature a dynamic 120Hz refresh rate, such as the one seen on the Galaxy S21 series, which will adapt the screen refresh rate depending on the visualized content. Another leaker, Leaks Wondering on Twitter, has given us more details about the Z Flip 3 specs. He says the foldable will sport a triple camera system with a 12MP main sensor, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. According to another rumor, Samsung may give Z Flip 3 buyers two storage options, a 256GB one coupled with 8GB of RAM, and 512GB one with 12GB of RAM. The option for more memory, similar to that offered by the Galaxy S21 Ultra, sound good, if true. However, one might ask the obvious question based on that info alone: is Samsung planning to remove the SD card on the clamshell foldable as well? This remained to be seen or confirmed, as no leaks point to such information as of yet. Galaxy Z Flip 3 design and display. Rumors say that this time, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 will feature thinner bezels, making it narrower than the original Z Flip. We have also heard that the Z Flip 3 will have improved ultra-thin glass for the display, while the durable Gorilla Glass Victus will protect its back. As far as the display is concerned, it will reportedly be the same as last year's Z Flip 6.7-inch display. However, the 120Hz display refresh rate might make an appearance on the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which is quite a welcome addition for the foldable smartphone. Rumors suggest it will be adaptable to conserve battery life, and we see no reason for it to be a battery killer as the static refresh rate on the Galaxy S20. The external screen of the Z Flip 3 will reportedly be a 2 or a 3-inch one, bigger than the current 1.1-inch display seen on the original Z Flip, which, if true, will definitely be a welcome improvement as the Z Flip's original external display did not shine as practical. Some rumors say that the external display will not be as big as 3 inches and will be more like 1.8 inches. The bigger, the better, in our opinion. The same leak suggests that the foldable may feature an improved water and dust resistance.